Welcome! Picture this, a stack of light, fluffy pancakes, golden brown with a drizzle of maple syrup trickling down the sides. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, hold on to that thought because today we're about to turn this dream into a reality. We'll embark on a journey to create the ultimate fluffy pancakes. Every bite of these pancakes is a delightful experience, and the best part is that you can make them right in your own kitchen. To start, we'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, white sugar, milk, an egg, melted butter or vegetable oil, and a hint of vanilla extract for that extra touch of sweetness. First, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a large mixing bowl. This dry mix is the foundation of our pancakes. Next, beat the egg slightly in a separate bowl. To this, add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Stir them together until well combined. Now comes the fun part. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are okay. Over-mixing is the enemy of fluffiness, so tread lightly here. With our batter ready, it's time to heat up a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. A little trick here is to test the heat by dropping a bit of water onto it. If it sizzles and evaporates immediately, you're good to go. Grease your skillet lightly with butter or oil, then pour about a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. Leave some space between them for spreading. Watch for bubbles on the surface and edges that look set, then flip them over. Another couple of minutes on this side, and you should have a pancake that's golden brown and cooked through. And there you have it, a stack of warm, fluffy pancakes waiting to be devoured. Serve them up with your favorite toppings. From maple syrup and fresh fruit to whipped cream and chocolate chips, the possibilities are endless. It's been a pleasure sharing this fluffy pancake recipe with you. If you found it helpful, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow pancake enthusiasts. And remember, the kitchen is a place for creativity and fun, so don't hesitate to experiment and share your results. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspiration. Until then, happy cooking!